Okay, so we're in the mountains. I've got my helmet set up, I've paid, and I've got my GoPro ready. So, not long from now, I'll be on a quad bike going through the mountains. And you'll see all the footage from this bad boy. This is the company. I might not show this if it's a bad time, but if it's a good time, I definitely will. Right, looks like it's almost our turn to have our engine turned on. Hey. Hi.
I show you.
Cool, thank you. Hope the audio comes out alright on this. Why am I nervous? I've been driving for years. I purposefully put myself at the back so that I would have a guide behind me in case I mess up. Okay, so scratch that, the guide has gone ahead. I guess I'm just at the back by myself. Wow, they really have just sort of left me behind. Like, there's no one behind me to look after me. That's fine, I guess. I think I can survive. Well, I'm just saying, I don't know if you can make it out on the footage, but there is definitely not a 25-meter gap between some of those people. And that's what they said, so... To be honest, I don't actually think there's a 25-meter gap between me and the people in front of me, so... Oh, it is so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. Why did I think I wouldn't be cold? I've worn like the thinnest coat I have. It's bouncy. Oh my god, I am freezing. Jump, Zaram. It's like I'm playing MotorStorm. My eyes are very well protected, but honestly, I can taste a lot of dust right now. Why? Why did he do that to me? Oh, snow confirmed. Guys, snow confirmed. It is cold, I wasn't lying. There's actual real snow. Snow alert. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, bye. Off he goes. That guy really, like, just does whatever he wants. And I respect it. See, that is like not 25-meter gaps at all. And they're just getting away with it. Whatever happened to following the good old rules? Who doesn't love rules? I can actually feel like solid dust paste forming in my mouth. So much dust has gone and mixed with my spit that I'm having a sort of almost Marmite style texture form in my tongue. Guys, don't leave me behind, please, please. I know I went at the back on purpose, but I do feel like a little bit of a loser. Like, I can never win the race, you know? It's always... What's the song? Everybody loves a winner, so nobody loves you. And people say to me, they say, Tuesday, how did you win your Tony? I say, just like that. Just like that on that quad bike. Big goal of mine, actually. First Tony, first Olivia. I'll be honest, guys, it's kind of hard to focus on talking to the camera right now. I am like living out my dream of being in Far Cry right now. It can be Far Cry 4 or 5, and I'm not picky. This is definitely more reminiscent of the Montana mountains, though. What are they called? The White Mountains? Maybe. They are white. Right, so I've just been told off because I was driving on the left side of the road like a stupid British idiot. How embarrassing. Honestly, actually, like, straight up embarrassing. Wow, it's really reminding me of Fortnite right now, guys. Where are we shopping? Zakopane? I guess that's just a small glimpse at how gamer my brain has become. I've not played Fortnite in years though, so I know the camera isn't going to do it justice, but this place is just amazing. Like, breathtaking. And I know that there's going to be loads of wind whilst I'm speaking. Like, can you even hear me, guys? Guys, can you hear me? Oh my god, this is so cold. I'm going so mad. It's too windy. I'm freezing. You guys better be glad that you can't see me right now, because my cold little face, it's like, it's doing that drip out on my nose you get when it's cold. Yeah, what a freak. Oh, I think we're gonna get a break. What a lovely place to film a TikTok.
Okay. 5-10 minutes break.
Thanks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Right. I will pause the recording and start it back up where we leave off. Right, let's get back to it. I'm gonna go arms down this time. It was a bit too cold last time. Oh my god, I've just looked down and my clothes are so dusty. They're ruined. These are the trousers I was going to wear on the flight back. I don't want Ryanair thinking I'm dusty. I'm not a dusty guy. Gently does it, gently does it. Man, it's not fair being at the back. I gotta wait for everyone at the start, and then when I get there at the end, everyone feels like they've been waiting for me. I am the true victim here. Don't worry, I now know the correct side of the road to be on. Probably one of the best drivers in Europe now. I'm a fast learner. Straight up, guys, do not be licking your lips if you're doing this. I don't know why I've been licking my lips, but they're chilling. They're like two horizontal, parallel icicles. It's bad. You know what? I criticised people earlier for not doing the 25 metres, and I've lost all sense of that, because I'm a pro rider out there, so I'm all go, go, go. I've been riding for 40 minutes. I know the ins and outs, you know. It's like a symbiotic relationship. In many ways, I am Venom, and this vehicle is my host. Actually, they should make another Venom movie. They should make Venom 4, but instead of Tom Hardy, it's me on a quad bike for an hour and a half. So if Sony have any interest in that, you can email me at POV, your QuadBiking in Zakopane. That's actually literally me right now, so crazy. What the fuck? Pedestrians? No! Oh, go away, go away. My ass is getting beaten up by these bumps. I'm gonna have a big bruise on my ass, I swear. If I was on foot, this would be giving horror film vibes, you know? Like European mountain forest, freezing cold, no phone signal. Oh, ow, ow, Jesus. There's no good route over this, right? This is just gonna be bumpy, right? Yes, I was correct. Not to be like the most boring guy ever, but the grass really smells of grass up here. Like, it smells of freshly cut grass, and this grass has not been cut, guys. Straight up, this grass has been growing. For real, guys, I am actually so Lewis Hamilton right now. Like, straight up. Ow, ow, ow. This is so bumpy, oh my god. What if I clench my thighs down the middle? Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, squeeze that bad boy with my thighs. So, fun fact, if you just spit whilst on one of these, it'll come back and hit you in the face or in the mouth. So if you ever want to save a couple £100 a week on your dominatrix, then this is a pretty good way to do it. Oh my god. Oh my sheep. Oh my. I cannot turn my body to show you, but there's like 300 sheep in a big circle looking down at us with a sheepdog. And I've not just made that up, guys. That is not clickbait. That's true. I wouldn't lie about something like that. I mean, I don't really know why I'd lie at all, to be honest, in this scenario. Oh, you think the grass is going to be the nice comfy stuff, but there's all these bloody like molehill things, and it's so bumpy. Oh my god. And you don't see it coming. I think with some of the other stuff you get to like guide where you're going to go, whereas when you're going over the grass it's like bang 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 bang, and you think it's going to be so nice and smooth. You're thinking it's going to be like a hot knife through butter, but then you stick your knife in to spread it along, and the butter, oh sorry mate, we put gravel in that. There's actually gravel in your butter. Oh my god, it's the sheep. Guys, I told you I wasn't lying. Can you see the sheep? I'm sort of like angling my body. I don't know if you can see them. There are sheep. There's a lot of sheep. You know what? I don't think they trust us. The looks I'm getting from those sheep is not one of trust. And that is a shame, because trust and mutual respect are very important to me. Ow! I just hit my head on a branch. I'm gonna do it again. Ooh. The second one didn't really hurt. Neither did the first one though, because I guess I'm pretty strong. Ow, ow, oh my god. I just... 3 in a row. This is obviously the danger part of the map. The high risk, high voltage part of the map. You know what? It is actually surprisingly nice, like coming back down into Zakopane. Look how beautiful this is, to like return to the town and see it all underneath you. Ignore that like electrical grid thing, that's fine. Well, it does seem like the ride is coming to an end. This was honestly amazing. I'm freezing, but I should have expected that, you know? Do you think they'll get mad if I pee myself on the quad bike? And here we are. And yeah, I did come last in the race, but to be honest, it was rigged against me from the start, so what am I supposed to do about that? Oh no, I've been so good this whole time and now I'm going to sneeze in front of everyone. My nose is full of dust.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate. And that's that.